From your Kyron library, click on New to create Kyron assets, then select from the options. In this video, we'll review creating practice problems. Select and click Next. Here you will fill in the details of your practice problems. First, fill in your title, then fill in your audience. Finally, explain what learners should be able to do after completing the practice. Then click on Create Practice Problems. It will take a few minutes for your practice problems to generate. Once it's generated, you can review and edit.